guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to the Marketing Suites. My name is Mia. I am the CEO of the Marketing Suites, and we are here to help small businesses grow all 2023, period. So a little bit about me and my business. We do website designs, booking sites designs. We do YouTube intros, we do social media graphics, and just all things graphics and designs that help your small business pop and help it grow, that help bring the people and the coins and the customers and all that good stuff. So you guys, this is just a fast version of me creating a YouTube intro. You guys, it is not all easy. You will see me going back, trying different fonts, going back to different pages and all types of stuff. It's a lot of trial and error, and I try my best to make it up to the customers liking and make it cute, make it pretty, make it pop, like I said. So yeah, you guys, I will stop talking and just let you guys finish watching this YouTube intro I made. If you have any questions, leave them down below. If you guys like to see more designs, if you like to see me create a website design, a booking site design for lash tech, nails, the girls that love to lay a lace, you hear me? If you guys like to see that, like, comment, and subscribe. And I can't wait to talk to you guys soon. Bye.
Who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again.
And you ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah.
I'm changing who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving, you can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life, and I won't look back ever again.
No fear, see clear, you deserve to be great. I know it feels like things get in your way. Push through those walls and the others will fall. Sit up, stand tall, you can get through it all. I need some energy, anxiety's no friend to me. I have a short memory, I don't really